It was a long time ago. I don't remember the company, but I remember the day I bought its product. First, I found it on their website. There was a message in the chat from a manager I thought to be the most polite in the world. We discussed my issue and booked a call. The phone rang. I picked it up and had a pleasant conversation with their consultant. After sharing a joke, we made a deal. I made a payment online and drove to their office to pick up the order. In the office, I just found a huge tablet. I put in the number of my order and got it right away. There was a man. He looked at me and said, "Works like a charm, doesn't it?" I agreed and said, "The shop owner is a talented man. I'm surprised how he set it up so smoothly." The man had laughed and said, "Well, I'm glad to hear that." He happened to be the owner. Then I said, "Send regards to your consultants. They've been so very helpful and nice to me." The next thing I heard was truly shocking. He said, "I don't have a single consultant in my company. Frankly, I'm the only human being here." You can't imagine my surprise when it became clear to me that his company ran with the help of conversational intelligence, chatbots, robotic automation, and other revolutionary technology. The man told me about All Things Digital. It's a complex solution to automate all existing business processes to make them much more efficient. All Things Digital helps optimizing business results, creates new profitability channels, enhances customer excitement with new technological products and services, which in return lead to a competitive advantage and much higher value for companies.